Apple just opened a store in Pune and on day one, people went absolutely crazy. Apple fans are not just fans anymore, they feel like a whole majority.
Say ooh.
And the timing couldn't be better. In just 2 days, Apple drops the iPhone 17 series along with a bunch of other devices at its awe-dropping event. But if waiting 48 more hours feels impossible, my friends, here's everything that you need to know about Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 event based on leaks and rumors. First up, the regular iPhone 17, which can finally get a 120Hz display, something that's been a Pro-only feature since iPhone 11. The display also grows to 6.3 inches, bezels are similar, and the selfie camera gets its first proper upgrade since the iPhone 11. Now, 24 megapixel sensor. Charging is faster too, moving from 20 watt to 35 watt. But is 35 watt really fast? I would say it's not fast enough, but faster than its predecessors. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. For once, the gap between them is not huge, mainly size, price and battery life. Both are rumored to get the new 3nm A19 Pro chip and a bump to 12GB RAM to power Apple Intelligence features. Cameras are also getting really serious. All three cameras on the back may move to 48 megapixel sensors with up to 8x optical zoom this time. The biggest shakeup is the iPhone 17 Air. This replaces the Plus model and goes super thin with just 5.5mm thickness. It can still pack the new 24 megapixel front camera and the 35 watt fast charging from the base model, but with a smaller 2900 mAh battery and only a single 48 megapixel camera on the back. Clearly style over versatility here. But Apple's fall event is not just about iPhone 17. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 can also be there, and it is rumored with a bigger screen, new AI powered feature, satellite connectivity and maybe even a built-in camera. Camera for photos? No. Camera to improve its AI assistance by analyzing the outside world. And on the Apple Watch SE3, the most exciting feature could be sleep apnea detection. Then there are Apple AirPods Pro 3, which can possibly feature health sensors like heart rate and temperature, upgraded ANC and maybe even infrared camera for gestures control. And finally, the long rumored HomePod 3 with a screen and a camera. So you can FaceTime your friends and family and access smart home controls as well. So yeah, Apple is about to drop a storm of devices. Question is, which one will you pick? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.